Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. All right, so today I'm popping on very briefly to share with you guys this new coloring book. I'll do a quick flip through this new coloring book that I received in the mail this week. I actually got it probably Monday or Tuesday of this week, but with the events that unfolded, my nerves was shot, and I did not open it the day that it came in the mail. But when I did open it, I was so excited. I was so excited because I purchased this book in honor of our late daughter, Billie Olivia. And for those who have been on the channel for a while, you know that Billie Olivia is my late daughter. Her 11th Angelversary is this month in January, and we lost her at a couple months old to SIDS. Nevertheless, so I wanted to just honor her and celebrate. Every year we do something to celebrate, whether it's a balloon release, buy a cake, blow out the candles, something. But this year, particularly, I wanted to honor her, and just by supporting a fellow creative, and purchase this coloring book and with the images of the little girl and the mom. And so I just thought it was I loved the images that are inside, and so I'm going to show you that. But it's also it's different from majority of, I've never seen a coloring book laid out like this. So what you have in here, and she tells you, she gives you a little bit of information in the beginning. It says this keepsake coloring book includes illustrations of fun and creative ideas that mothers and daughters can do together, like traveling, arts and crafts, and swimming. The images are across from one another with the intent that you will both color together facing each other. Of course, you can also color at separate times, and you'll notice that the first images say daughter on one side and mother on the other at the bottom of the page to help you get started. The double blank pages inside are barriers so that when you color, your beautiful creation has less of a chance of bleeding onto the next image. If you decide to color with markers instead of crayons or colored pencils, feel free to also doodle on those pages or simply enjoy reading the inspirational quotes listed on Mom's side. There are no coloring rules. They just have fun creating art together. You may never forget the love you have for one another. Latoya, Nicole. Now, I ran across this coloring book because I belong to one of the same creative Facebook groups that she belonged to, and so she was just sharing with the group her latest coloring book. It wasn't this one. It was a relaxation one, bathtub, spa type thing. And so I thought that one was nice. I liked the pages and what have you. I liked the cover. So I went to the site, but this was the first one that I saw. So I was like, that one's for me. That one's for me. It's January, and she shipped it quick, by the way. She shipped it quick. This was not an expensive purchase. For this to be, I don't know if it's mass made, but I know that it was made or copywritten or whatever in January, because it says that here somewhere in this book. I don't want to get too much into her details because I don't think that that's important, but my son just happened to notice it. January 1st, 2020. Anyway, so it's a new release, or it's newly released or newly printed, whatever. But so this is how it goes. I will color on this side, and it's meant for your daughter to color on that side. And if you're facing one another and you're coloring together, that gives you time to talk to one another. Now, granted, Josh ain't gonna be sitting coloring half these pages with me, so I'll probably end up using the opposite sides in journals, or who knows, I don't know what I would do with them. But nevertheless, I plan to color in this book and, reflect on my time as a mother with my daughter, Livie. Okay? And once again, that is who the channel is named after. So here's some of the quotes. A daughter is someone you laugh with, make memories with, and love with all your heart. And I like that the images, obviously, now it can be girls of any color, but in our culture, hair bonnets is something, but we sleep with bonnets on to preserve our hairstyles and to ensure that the oils that are in our hair don't make it onto our pillowcases, that we can maintain our gorgeous locks, if you will. Oh, isn't this is going to be so much fun to color. And I think my daughter she's a part of me, so she'll be with me in spirit as I color, And if you are interested in purchasing this coloring book, or maybe even checking out what else she has available, I will drop a link below to her site, or her shop. I think this is on Amazon. I can't remember. I'm not certain, but nevertheless, I will leave a link below for those who are interested in purchasing. I have no affiliation to her company and to her shop. I don't get a discount. She don't give me commissions, none of that stuff. I don't know her personally, but I do love her work, and I love the concept behind this coloring book. A mother's treasure is her daughter. Indeed it is. Look at the beautiful hair and the puffy ponytail and the age-appropriate clothing, little kitty cat. She's there doing arts and crafts. And so in the coloring book, she said these are ideas that, you know, each page has ideas of what moms and daughters can do together. You can travel a little bit. Nice. You can make a nice scene of, I've already done one page. In case, and I've made a couple marks. In case no one has told you today, you are a great mother. Here's the page that I started working on. Me and Josh were chit-chatting yesterday. So he sat and watched me. Josh he's not a colorer. He does, that's not his thing. Pens and pencils, no, not so much. It's an issue with dexterity, and he'll be fine as he gets older. But truth be told, they don't need it as much as we needed it. With us coming up, we needed to be able to hold them pens and pencils. They're on computers all day. Okay? As long as he can write legibly, sign his name at some point. Now, I will continue to work with him on that, and eventually help him to learn cursive, because they ain't doing that in 4th grade either. But I'm not killing myself to teach him something that is a lost art. It just is what it is. We don't need to know how to bake bread because they sell it in a grocery store. Do I know how to bake bread? Yes, I do. Would I spend my time teaching my child how to master the art of baking bread? No. I would pass along a recipe and show them how to do it. And they could do by trial and error, learn that themselves, because it's not as needed as it once was. What he will know is how to secure his bank account and not get his computers hacked. That is the tools that will come in handy in 2020 and 2021 and in another 10 years. All right. They're doing their outside exercise, yoga, looking fabulous. As a daughter is a miracle that never ceases to be miraculous. So I'm not going to go through the whole book. I normally would do a flip through of each page, but in the spirit of y'all need to find out if you really like this coloring book, then you might want to buy one for yourself. In the spirit of encouraging you to support another creative, I am not going to share with you the rest of it. You'll just have to be, pleasantly surprised should you decide to purchase it for yourself. I don't want to ruin the mystery, okay? But anyways, so I probably am going to sit back, watch a few videos later on today. Now it's the end of the week, and color and relax a bit. I've got a collaboration coming up in February, so stay tuned for those videos. And I'm still working on those batch of journals. I've showed you the covers of them, and I'll come on again in a little bit to show you where I'm at in the process of that and some other elements I need to start on. Anyways, that being said, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative in crafting. Make sure you send to yourself and stay focused right now. It's a little crazy out there, but it's okay. We'll get through this. Our country is in transition, but we're going to be okay. Whether you are Democrat or Republican, we are going to be fine. Just stay focused and make sure that you're honoring your conscience no matter what you do. All right? That will be all.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.